guys, Rhino here. So for today's recovery, we're going to Indio. We're gonna be recovering a Chevy Silverado 2500 4x4, but it just happened to get stuck in really soft sand. So they called me not too long ago, and we're already on our way. You know, within 20 minutes of the call, we're already heading that way. The guy's been waiting there quite a while for AAA, but AAA won't go off the pavement, of course. So we're heading that way. Once I get there, I keep recording, and thank you guys for coming along. Found him. Man, the sand is soft. Let me see if I can show you where it is. You see it right there? That's where it is. All right, let's go. Yeah, do you see that? Yeah. Feel it? It's like really soft. And I'm still doing two-wheel drive right now. So here it is. This sand is like really soft, man.
Yeah, it's fine most places, but back here.
Yeah, I was on two-wheel drive and I could feel it, digging in. How you doing, brother? Look at that. Oh, you try putting some wood in there, huh?
Try.
Nice. All right, so as you could see, I tried, tugging it 3 times, but the thing is like really buried. So what we're doing is we're removing the dirt, from the front tires, and I'm just gonna use the winch just to pull them out over here to the most solid dirt again, and see if he can make it out on his own. We'll see right now. We got Ryan working here. It's hot out here. It's gotta be over, I say it's gotta be over 100 degrees for sure, because I'm sweating and I haven't done anything yet. Just let it go. Yeah.
Yeah, he's still driving.
Alright, so he's like completely seated on the frame. So all wheels are just like floating in the air pretty much. So let me try again. The only option I see right now viable is for me to go get a new battery real quick. There's gotta be out of some or something around here. Buy the battery, change it real quick. Because I know that the winch can pull you, but for some reason my battery like came on right now, but it was trying to pull you. I don't know why.
Okay, that's fine. We'll go break down over here while we wait.
My battery died on me while I was pulling the first time. I had to go get a new battery, and now we're back. So let's strap it from the front again. The battery should be good, so the winch should be able to pull. Because my battery was dying, the winch didn't have any power to pull. But this time we should be different. So let's go. All right, put it on drive, and if I tell you to give it gas, give it gas. But for right now, just put it on drive, please.
Awesome.
All right, guys, so as you could see, I had to change my battery, for my winch to have the power. And we came back, used a snatch block, and we were able to get it out just that easy. I wish I would have my battery running good the first time. However, we got it out. They're going home. We're going home. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Thank you for liking them. And of course, we'll see you next time.